Rolls-Royce Interior Services in Los Angeles. Here at Best Way Auto Upholstery, we specialize on Rolls-Royce interiors. We can fix any wear and tear of Rolls-Royce interior. In this example, driver's seat is damaged and the owner wants to fix it. This work requires experience and knowledge of the car. The seat has a lot of electronics, heaters that should be disconnected. We also enhanced the seat with additional padding. We fixed leather seat cover just by replacing two parts and saved tons of money for the owner. We offer professional leather seat covers installation services as well as partly repair and restoration. Save time and money with Best Way Auto Upholstery. Call for a quote 323-435-8417.